Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Xero. This integration is incredibly useful as it allows you to sync your customer data, invoices, and financial information between both platforms, streamlining your workflow and eliminating manual data entry. To get started, open your browser and navigate to Xero.com. Here, you'll need to sign in to your existing account. If you're new to Xero, you can start a free trial to explore the platform and set up your business account from scratch. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your accounting and business operations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu, as this is where you'll access various tools and features throughout the platform. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a 9-dot icon in the navigation menu. Click on this icon and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Open Xero App Store. This is where Xero houses all the third-party applications that can integrate seamlessly with your account. You'll now see a comprehensive list of all the apps readily available for integration with your Xero account. Feel free to scroll down and explore the various options if you're curious about other integrations. However, for our purpose today, locate the search bar positioned on the top side of your screen. Type in HubSpot to quickly find what we need. From the search results that appear, look for HubSpot CRM integration and click on it. This will take you directly to the app's dedicated page within the Xero marketplace. You're now on the app's overview page. This is an important step, so don't rush through it. Take the time to read through all the features and pricing details carefully. Check out the reviews from other users to see how the integration has worked for them, and review all the relevant functions it could bring to your Xero account. Understanding what this integration offers will help you make the most of it once it's set up. Once you've reviewed everything and decided to move forward, scroll back up to the top of the page. You'll see a button labeled Get This App. Go ahead and click on it to begin the connection process. You'll be directed to the setup page where the actual integration begins. Here, click on the Connect App button. This will prompt you to sign in to your HubSpot account. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can create a new one at this stage. The setup process is straightforward and will guide you through creating your account. After signing in to HubSpot, the final steps involve authorizing the connection between HubSpot and Xero. You'll likely see a permission screen asking you to confirm that you want to allow these two platforms to share data. Review the permissions carefully and then authorize the connection. This establishes the bridge between your CRM and accounting software, and that's it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Xero, allowing your sales and financial data to flow seamlessly between both platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.